Good evening, everyone. I am Rahul Gupta, member Punjab State COVID Control Room. Today is the 58th day of sharing information regarding COVID-19 in the state. World COVID-19 figures are confirmed cases 49 lakh 13,000, recovered cases 19 lakh 20,000, dead 3 lakh 20,000. For India, the figures are confirmed cases 1 lakh 2,231, recovered cases 39,800, dead 3,170. As of now in Punjab, total positive cases are 2,002, which is an increase of 22 over yesterday's figures. Recovered cases are 1,642, total lives lost 38. Pepsu Road Transport Corporation has decided to ply buses in the state from 20th May, that is tomorrow. Buses will run from the starting point to the final destination and will not stop anywhere in between to pick up passengers. Passengers will have to book their tickets in advance at the bus stand through the conductors or through the advance booking agents. Buses will carry passengers only up to half the carrying capacity of the buses. Wearing of masks and maintaining social distancing by all the passengers and staff will be mandatory. Buses will be sanitized before starting off the journey and hand sanitizers will be made available in all the buses. Interstate bus service will remain suspended up till 31st May. Punjab government has decided to extend the deadline to pay the outstanding house tax and property tax without any penalty till 30th June. Likewise, the time limit of one-time settlement policy for recovery of areas of water and sewerage charges in the urban local bodies of the state has also been extended up to 30th June. Punjab government has decided to broadcast the curriculum on the DD Punjabi to prevent loss of education of the children of the government schools due to the lockdown. Investments in IT and ITES sectors in the state have touched 605 crore, which is approximately 65% higher than the investment figures of last year. Latest SOP for the people returning from abroad is as follows. All persons arriving from abroad would be screened as per health protocol at the port of entry. They shall also have to download the COVA app. They will hand over self-declaration form giving health details to the health officials. All symptomatic persons will be taken to the health facility for COVID-19 test. COVID-19 positive persons will be treated as per health protocols. All other COVID-19 who are negative and asymptomatic persons will be taken for quarantine of 14 days to a government facility or to a hotel on payment basis. Thereafter, their COVID-19 test will be done, and if they test negative, they will be allowed to go home, but they shall have to remain in home quarantine for another 14 days. And they shall also have to give an undertaking that they will follow the government instructions regarding home quarantine. A village or a ward with 15 or more COVID-19 positive cases will constitute a containment zone, and a buffer zone will extend up to 1 kilometer radius beyond the containment zone. In the end, it is requested that while going out, please wear your masks, maintain social distance of 5 to 6 feet, and do not violate the curfew between 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. That is all for today. Thank you.